Welcome to the PTC Bridge Academy. My name is Tony Koenig, and I am the developer of PTC Bridge. In this course, you are going to learn exactly how to use the software to get the most out of it and get the results that you and your patients and your sponsors and your CROs want. Bridge is a five-part platform. We deal with primary healthcare, we deal with a government link, we deal with your CTMS, a command CRO center, and a sponsor site link. In this course and on Blue Cloud X, you will become certified in each of these platforms. So this certification will sit next to your GCP certification, in your GDPR wallet here, and sponsors will be able to see it, and it will become something that you can add to your CV, and you will actually be rewarded down the line for being an expert on this. So I welcome you. Dig into the course. Each module will have a quiz, and you'll have to pass that to go to the next level, but it's going to be worth it. So welcome again, enjoy it. There will be weekly on a Wednesday training, live training that you can come to. So yes, biggest thing is enjoy it, and I'll see you in the first module.